guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I have something really cool to share with you guys. I'm gonna share some of my summer essentials or like a summer kit touch-up bag that you take with you and makeup that you put on before going out into the sun or on your trip. I know that it's like a big old bag in here and I won't be carrying this only because I have some duplicate products that I wanted to share with you guys. So if you didn't have something like this, I'm gonna recommend something a little bit similar. So let's just get started to see what's in here. So in no particular order, I'm just gonna pull out my dog and his ferret. He just loves that thing so much. God forbid I have to take that away from him one of these days, only because he just loves that toy so much and he chews the heck out of it. Like his ears is gone, one of his nostrils is gone, his eyebrows probably pretty much gone. I'm sure he's gonna bite through it, and that little squeaky thing is probably gonna be broken. So anyways, sorry if you guys hear that, but I'm gonna try to have some music in the background so you guys can't hear that. So the first thing I have, I'm just gonna pull out, is my Josie Maran, and these are the Barenaked Wipes. I love these so much. This is actually a very oldie, but it's an extremely goodie. I love this type of formulation because it is really thick, the towelette. It's very saturated, it's very gentle on my face, there's no alcohol, so around my eyes, or if I need a quick touch-up or just kind of like clean up throughout the day, or if I wanted to change my eye makeup or just something really quick and I'm on the go, this will be a really good essentials in your summer kit. Ooh. Second thing I have is sunscreen. Sunscreen is a major thing. You definitely need to put some sort of sunscreen on. It doesn't have to be a high 50. If you just like something light, it's totally your preference. This here is the Clarins SPF 50. This is a water-based, no oils. This has a slight tint, so I could actually just wear this alone if I wanted to without any foundation on top because it has a slight tint. So it's gonna protect you but give you a slight amount of color. This formulation is very light. You put it on your skin and it's like nothing, but it gives you that nice blurring effect. So if you don't have anything like this, I would recommend like a tinted moisturizer. This tinted moisturizer is a really cool product. It's more of a CC cream. But what I like about this is that it's more of a self-adjusting type of product. I know there's a lot of these lip balms that are self-adjusting to your pH balance, kind of like a mood ring but for your lips. So they also made one for your face. Now this product here is white, but once you blend it into your skin, it kind of warms up to your body temperature and it gives yourself your own color, if that makes sense. It's a really cool product, gives you that blurring effect, and I do like it because it has SPF 25. So before applying on any makeup, sorry, this is just in different orders just because I'm grabbing whatever's out of my bag. So before applying on any type of makeup, you always want to use something with sunscreen too. If you're that person who just really wants to protect your skin, this is a really cool product because it's actually a primer with the sunscreen, which I really like. So it's transparent obviously, but it has SPF 30. It can be oil controlling and it does smooth out the skin. So if you feel like you don't want to wear any type of makeup but you want that nice blurring kind of effect look that's transparent, you guys might want to check this out. This is by Cover FX and it's like a clear primer base with SPF 30. A lot of times we're out on the beach or just out somewhere and we get so hot. This is where these two come into play. These are more like hydration sprays, elixir, setting sprays, during, after, before kind of products. This one here is made out of a white lotus flower, which I do like, only because it actually mists onto the skin and you can apply it all over to your body, which is really nice. A true elixir that contains grapeseed oil. This actually sprays a little bit tighter, whereas the first one is more of a mist. Either one of these are definitely great to take with you, but I think they're a little bit big. So what I would recommend is small little travel size products that you get with gift with purchases, or when you buy like a sampler kit. These are really handy because you can travel with it. This is a popular Amore Pacific Moisture Bound. This is really nice because it actually gives a nice spray and it's really hydrating and smells wonderful. Another favorite of mine is the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea. That gives a nice little mist as well too. Oh my gosh, this smells so good. I feel like I'm on vacation right now in my room. Ooh, hair protectant. A lot of people probably are not aware, or maybe, that our hair is our skin too. Our nails are skin. I mean, everything, our whole body, it's like skin. So these two products are actually really good. This is a multi vitamin heat protector spray with the vitamins A, B6, B12, C, and E, and biotin. This can be used before blow drying your hair if your hair's slightly damped, before you go out into the sun. It just kind of coats it, because a lot of times when you're out in the heat and you touch your hair, you're like, oh my god, my hair is like hella hot. Afterwards, you could actually use this. This is also by Caviar, which is Alterna. It's a CC cream, kind of like a color corrector for your face, but it's more for your hair. So it's gonna help protect the color, it's gonna help increase the shine, moisture, the smoothness, UV rays, anti-breakage. I mean, everything is in this bottle, guys. So afterwards, you can kind of apply some into the hair after you have washed it, or even to dry hair. Another good hair care product would probably be a little travel size as well. Living Proof is like one of my favorite dry shampoos. Now, I don't use dry shampoos often. I only use it if I'm trying to style, especially like day-old hair. Something like this, I'll kind of spray in between to give some texture and body, because you know my hair be flat. This is great because if you're on the go, you don't have time to go back to your hotel room or your little cabana. You can just spray some in here, absorb some of the oils, give it a little bit of a refresher without actually wetting your hair. Ooh, another thing I have here is this Super Goop spray sunscreen. This is actually one of my favorite things to keep on the side of my car door when I'm driving. I drive a lot. I'm always going on location to location. A lot of times the sun is just beaming on my face, and the sunglasses I wear is not enough as a protection, nor the visor. So this is actually SPF 50. This is great. As you're driving and the sun's beaming on that one window of yours and you got that weird farmer tan line, you could spray this on your face and even your décolleté if it's being exposed to the sun. This is a great touch-up. So you always want to keep the sunscreen protection constantly. This is really fun. So this is the new Sephora collection Watermelon After Sun Mask. Like I said, after you're out on the day in the beach, your hair is like hella hot, like it's on fire. So is the skin on your face, and a lot of times this is exposed too. You guys see this little dot here? Where is this? You see this little mole right here? Can you see it? This is actually a sun mark, I swear to you guys. I went on vacation, I believe somewhere in the Philippines last 5 years. I remember it was so hot, and I got back to the room and I was like, oh my god, my chest is so hot. And of course the next day I was like, huh? Where'd that come from? So this definitely came from the sun, guys. So as I recommend, always reapply your sunscreen, but this will help kind of cool down the skin. This is a very affordable mask. I find that this will be very handy for those who are traveling this year and just protecting your skin, guys. So the last sunscreen essentials kit that I have, you guys know it's my Jack Black lip balm. My favorite thing on earth. So in addition to your décolleté that you can get new spots or on your face, your lips can get a spot too. This has been my favorite lip balm. This is the Jack Black Grapefruit scent with SPF 25. So always reactivate your sunscreen along with your lip protection, guys. So now I'm just gonna pack up my bag. So this is my updated bag. You see how it's a lot smaller and slimmer now. I can take this with me on the go. So now let's see what's in my bag. I have my wipes, dry shampoo, hydrating spray, the spray sunscreen. I have my lip balm with sunscreen, my hair heat protectant in case if I feel like it's feeling damaged. Of course, I have the After Sun Mask by Sephora collection. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video of my Summer Essentials kit. I hope you guys have fun this summer. I am so excited. I don't know where I'm going or if I'm going anywhere, but I am so excited for this video because I want to go somewhere so bad. If you guys have a planned trip coming up, I hope you found this video helpful with my little tips of things to pack with you guys. You guys have a great summer. Have a safe planned trip. Get that tan for me, guys, because clearly I'm not going anywhere. Alright guys, thanks for watching and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! God forbid one day I have to like throw it away because, I mean, other product here. Oh, there's a little tester sign on here. The last sunscreen summer essential hydration spray that you want to call. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoy my summer essentials. Alright guys, that's it for my video. I just spat.